There are important guidelines that researchers must follow in order to do their work ethically and responsibly. Ethics are important in primary research, which is original work done by a researcher, such as experiments or interviews. Ethics are also important in secondary research, which builds on other researchers' existing work. This also applies to you and the work that you do for your classes. For example, when you write a research paper and cite sources without collecting new data or conducting experiments, you are engaging in secondary research. When conducting primary research, especially with people, it is the researcher's responsibility to keep the participants safe. Most research done with people is anonymous, which means that no one except the researcher should know who is participating. The researcher must keep this information private. Participants should know beforehand what types of experiments or questions will be used. That way, they can make an informed decision about whether or not to participate. The research should not harm the participants in any way. Most universities have a review board to help researchers follow these guidelines. Before starting their work, the researcher must tell the review board what they plan to do. The board will approve the research or suggest improvements. They will also check on the progress of the study. The researcher must present all of the findings truthfully. They cannot ignore or leave out any results, even ones that are unexpected or that conflict with the researcher's beliefs. Remember that secondary research builds on other people's work, so it is important to cite this work. That way, your audience knows which ideas are yours and which ideas you are building upon. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding why it is important to conduct research responsibly. If you need more help, you can speak with the librarian. You can find the librarian for your major or subject from the library's website under the Research Help tab. Good luck with your research.